Now I'll be taking up questions. So let me start with the first question. Sir, can we become space scientist if we choose science group A? Answer to your question is yes. You can become a space scientist because the people who primarily become scientists are people who study pure sciences quite in detail and depth. So the right parameter would be take up science A group in 11th, 12th, go for BSc, followed by MSc, and then if required, followed by MPhil or a PhD. Based on that, whenever there is an opportunity, you can pick up a job of a scientist in various organizations, which could be ISRO, DRDO, NASA, and so on. Next question is, sir, if I want to go with medical science, like gynec or child specialist, which group should I take, group A or group B? Okay, my child, for medical sciences, for sure you need to take science B group. It is only after having studied biology that you will be allowed to appear for NEET exam, that is the national eligibility cum entrance test, after which you will be getting admission in MBBS. After finishing MBBS, you will go for giving NEET PG exam, post which you will get MS or an MD admission. There comes the specialization of pediatrics, gynecology and obstetrics, cardiology, neurology, all these specializations will come at that point of time. So you need to take science B group. Next question is, sir, what are the scope in automobile engineering after 10th? If you are passionate about automobile engineering or per se automobiles, then obviously there is a great scope. You don't need to look back. You can go for a diploma plus degree integrated program also, and you can first take up automobile engineering after 10th as a 3-year diploma, and then laterally enter into a automobile engineering degree course. And how to choose between mechanical and automobile engineering? Okay, I think for this I will suggest you to go to YouTube channel. I have shot a beautiful video of possibilities or degree options after science A group. In that, in last 15 minutes, I have explained you what should be the basis of stream selection of engineering. So which all engineering streams should be selected, keeping what things in mind. I would suggest go and watch that video. It will help you to understand difference between mechanical and automobile. Otherwise, also one thing I want to tell you, it is really not in your hand, because there will be colleges which may have only mechanical, there may be colleges which may have only automobile, and I always suggest try to go into a good college. Specialization or the branch of engineering is secondary. That should not be your priority. Your priority should be going to a very good college. Next question is, if I want to become a fashion designer, should I take commerce? My answer to you is, child, you can take commerce, you can also take science, you can also take arts. Anybody can become a fashion designer, or anybody can get into fashion design degree after 12th. Your selection of 11th, 12th should be based on your orientation graph, which I shared with you in the beginning of our today's interaction. Next question is, sir, is PCMB, physics, chemistry, maths, biology, a good choice? Answer is yes, it is an excellent choice. If you wish to also look at degrees like microbiology, biotechnology, biomedical engineering, food technology, agricultural engineering, dairy technology, then a combination of PCMB will help you a lot while studying those degrees. So it is a very good choice if you are able to consume all 4 subjects comfortably without getting into too much amount of stress. Then PCMB is a very good option. Next question is, sir, which is important points for becoming an architecture? Okay, I think this is a very good question. There is a video lying on YouTube in which I have given qualities of each vertical. किस vertical में जाने के लिए बच्चे के अंदर क्या qualities होनी चाहिए, that everything I have explained. But still, since you have asked this question, you need to be high on academic and practical orientation. That is first thing. Second, you need to be very comfortable in sketching, drawing, painting. So your hand has to be very artistic in nature. You should have inclination towards structures, building drawing, building engineering, building structures. That is inclination which you should have. And obviously you should have very good ability to sit and study for long hours during academics and work on practical on field for long hours when you get into execution of your skill. These are the pointers which you should keep in mind if you want to get into architecture. Next question is humanity, commerce, science will be same in computer science? Okay, I think your question is that for getting into computer science, is there no difference between a candidate who has taken humanities or commerce or science in 11th, 12th? Answer to your question is yes. Every child from any 12th grade can get into computer sciences. If you want to know more detail about it, 25th, I think next Sunday is 25th if I am not wrong, 12 to 1, I am taking up a session on future careers in computer science. So what I would, that is 25th, yes, next Sunday, next to next Sunday, future careers with computer science, where I'm only going to talk about what domains children from arts, commerce, science, anybody can get into computer sciences, information technology, or data analytics kind of courses. So anybody can go. Sir, which subject to take after 10th for journalism? Well, actually it does not matter whether you take science or commerce or arts, anybody can become a journalist or get into journalism. But still, most appropriate or rather inline field after 10th for journalism will be humanities. So you can take up humanities and then go for journalism. Sir, I want to do aerospace engineering. I want to know what should I do to pursue aerospace engineering after 12th. My child, very simple. 11th, 12th, you should take science A group. After taking science A group, you should give national level entrance exam like JEE main followed by JEE advanced. Try to get into a good IIT or NIT or government funded technical institutions or state level very good institutions which provide you specialization of aerospace engineering. That is the process which you have to follow for getting into aerospace engineering. If someone wants to give UPSC exam, then which is the best stream to choose? Again, I think this is a very beautiful question. Every time I am interacting with school children, I get this question. Well, for UPSC, stream or degree does not matter. Any graduate can appear for the civil services exam of UPSC. And because when we talk about general studies, it all depends upon how good and how correctly you are aware about the general happenings not only in India but across the world. That is what is the primary focus of testing when civil services exam is conducted by the Union Public Service Commission. Also on YouTube, I have put 2 videos, how to become an IAS officer and how to become an IPS officer. Once again, go subscribe to YouTube channel, watch these 2 videos. I have beautifully explained the complete process of how to become an IAS and IPS officer, in which the entire UPSC is nicely explained. Go ahead and take up, watch that video, you will get a lot of idea. Is event management a sustainable field? My answer to you is yes, why not? Don't just look at with a short focus on pandemic. Pandemic is a very short term thing. After the pandemic has to get finished, and after that every industry which you right now might be feeling is dipping or is low is bound to kick back. So don't worry, event management is a great and a sustainable field. Sir, can we do 3 degrees one after the another? Answer is yes. You can do bachelor's degree, then master's degree, then doctoral degree, PhD. You can do 3 degrees one after the other. There is no problem. Sir, can we take diploma and then go further to dance but which line should I choose in diploma? Okay, my child, I will not be able to answer your question unless and until I have some knowledge about you or assessment about you. So what I can suggest is you can connect with my office, take an appointment for counseling. I will do a brain mapping for you, and based on that brain mapping, I'll be able to suggest you or let you know what is right for you, whether you should go for dance or not, and if you wish to go for dance, then what should be the path or the plan of action to go for dance. Sir, I want to know that how to prepare for the studies when he was in 10th or 12th. I could not get the question. How did I prepare for? I can see Kevin on my video on front. Hi. Okay. See, point is, you actually don't need to prepare. If you have taken subjects of your choice, of your taste, you will automatically be interested in studying those subjects. That kick automatically comes from inside, that you want to gain more knowledge about it. You want to understand deeper concepts within that subject. That is the reason it is important that you should choose a subject based on your comfort. You should not choose subjects looking at some profession or looking at some future perspective. That should not be the right way of taking up the combination of subjects after 10th or combination of subjects after 12th. So if you take up subjects of your taste, of your interest, you will automatically study because you will enjoy studying those subjects. That is the way actually one should study. And that is what is going to give you the best result in your performance. Sir, if we want to become electrical engineering, then which group we have to go for and which job we can get? My child, I have given you a link of career handbook. Go through that. I have given you details of what different types of engineerings are able to do and what are their work domains. So go download that book. I'm sure from there you will get a lot of information related to electrical engineering. Sir, what if we want to become something but we don't have the ability to choose the stream? What should we do? Well, at your age, your aptitude can be developed, orientation can be changed, personality can be enhanced, interest can be developed, because you are at a very formative stage of your life. So what I will suggest is that if you want to become something and you feel that somewhere your aptitude is lacking or your some capability or skill is lacking, put in more efforts to brush up that skill, bring it to the level where you can actually get into and start practicing it. That is the way you should go ahead with it. So don't worry, spend more time with academia or the skill which you want to master or perfect in. I'm sure you will be able to reach to the place where you want to reach. Sir, can we do B Pharma with PCM after 12th? If we are not interested in medical field, answer is yes. For getting into B Pharma, which is a 3-year program, and a D Pharm, which is a doctorate in pharma, which is a 6-year program. I think B Pharma is 4-year program. Check out in the book once because I am not able to immediately recall. But both the programs you can do after 12th PCP if you're not interested in medical field. Next is what to do after 12th to go abroad with commerce stream. Bache, since I don't deal in foreign education, I may not be the right person for it, but just to give you a brief idea, most of the foreign universities have now started taking students based on basic English exams, that is IELTS or TOEFL. Apply to the college or the university of your choice, give IELTS or TOEFL, and then you can go abroad and study after 12th. But generally I suggest you should do your bachelor's in India, then go for your master's abroad. That is the best way, because tomorrow if you want to come back and settle in India, you have the option open. Otherwise, you may not be able to come back and settle in India. Next is to become a psychologist. Which stream is better, humanities or science? Also, which are the main subjects in humanities? Okay. Here I will clarify. Psychology or psychologist, you become only after humanities. After taking science B group, the field or domain which you get into or you may get into is a psychiatrist is a medical practitioner, whereas psychologist is a therapist. So you can take 11th 12th in humanities. Then in humanities you study history, civics, history, geography, political science, psychology, sociology, philosophy, English, depending upon your school. These are the subjects which you will get. Then go for BA in psychology, MA in psychology, MPhil in psychology, and then you can connect with, register yourself with the Rehabilitation Council of India and start practicing as a clinical psychologist. Next is, sir, can you describe more about liberal arts? Please go through the book, and also there is a video which I have put on YouTube related to liberal arts. Go and watch that video. You will get a lot of clarity related to liberal arts. Does horticulture require PCM or PCB, and are there any exams for it? Again, please go through the video of agricultural sciences on YouTube, and also go through the agricultural sciences part in the book which I have given you. You will be able to clarify yourself. By and large, horticulture does not have many competitive exams. You get admission based on 12th marks. Next is, sir, what stream is ideal for a career in social work? Well, for career in social work, humanities is an ideal stream. After doing humanities, you can do BSW, that is Bachelor of Social Work, followed by MSW, Master of Social Work. And does it have a, oh, the questions are lost. Okay. Next question is, all those children who have put broken questions, I am not able to, link those questions, so I am skipping those questions. Sir, after 12th, what do you do if you want to become a doctor? My child, you have to take Science B group if you want to become a doctor. Sir, which degree is best for drama, acting and sports? Well, there is a degree, Bachelor of Performing Arts, for drama and acting, and for sports there is a separate degree known as BPES, that is Bachelor of Physical Education or Sports. Also, there are BA, BBA, BSc programs available in sports or sports management. What is the success rate in India? I'm sorry, my child, lost your question. Your question is not clear. I cannot understand and interpret broken questions. Important points of becoming architecture I have given you. Good choice I have given you. Sir, I am both academic oriented and practical oriented, but don't have good ability to sit for long hours, and my interest in mathematics subjects. What is your suggestion? Which stream could be good for me? My child, I will have to do a brain assessment or a brain mapping for you. Then and only then I can guide you what stream would be right stream for you. So with these qualities, just I will not be able to answer your question. Connect with my office, take an appointment. I'll be happy to do a brain mapping for you and then do a career counseling. Sir, can I take genetic engineering and career after taking PCM as a stream in 11th 12th? Answer is yes. Genetic engineering is available to children after even PCM in 11th 12th. Sir, after taking Science B group, can I take forensic science? Answer is yes. You can go for BSc in forensic sciences after doing PCB in 11th 12th. Sir, what if we want to become something? I have answered this question. UPSC I have answered. Architecture I have answered. Sir, any job regarding biology other than medical? Answer is yes. I have given you tremendous number of jobs related to paramedical, rehabilitation sciences, veterinary sciences, fishery sciences, pure sciences, agricultural sciences. Loads of things I have shared with you in the presentation. Go and revisit the presentation. In spite of being a medical student, can I go for UPSC preparations after grade 12th? Answer is yes. Any student can go for UPSC preparation after 12th, irrespective of the fact whether you are medical, engineering, pure arts, commerce, social sciences, design. Any child can start preparation for UPSC after 12th. Can we do B Pharma and PCM? Answer I have given yes. Business management, challenging job. How much it is market demand currently? If you have done, question is management, business management a challenging job, and how much does it? How is the market demand? Well, if you do management from a very good college like IIMs, XLRIs, SP Jain, MDI, IMT, and so on, it is worth. There is a great demand. There is a great scope. But if you go ahead and do your business management course from a C grade college, then it may not have much demand. So I always say college is more important, course is secondary. Always look for getting into a very good college, then trying to just pick up one particular domain or one particular course. Sir, what point is important for becoming a kid's doctor? If you want to become a kid's doctor, that is a pediatrician, you must have affinity, sensitivity towards children. Rest all things related to B group studies have to be as it is. Sir, I want to take computer applications. So which is the best field to take for science, commerce or arts? As I said, I can only tell you based on brain mapping and career counseling which field you should go. Anybody can go for computer application. Sir, what subject do I need to take after 10th or 12th to join flying branch in IAF for girls? Well, if you want to get into flying, you have to study physics, chemistry and mathematics in grade 11th and 12th. Only then you are eligible as per the guideline of the Director General of Civil Aviation to get into flying. Also, I have put a video on YouTube how to become a pilot. Go and watch that video. I have discussed complete details of how anybody, whether you're a girl or a boy, can get into flying. That could be through civil aviation or through defense aviation. UPSC I have given. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my child. Which subject to choose for after 10th for architecture? You have to take physics, chemistry, mathematics compulsorily for getting into architecture after 12th. So 10th ke baad in 11th, 12th you have to take physics, chemistry, maths. I don't have the ability to choose a stream. What should I do? My child, connect with my office for a career counseling session. I will do a brain mapping and I'll guide you which stream you should pick up. Sir, which group should I choose for becoming a physicist? To become a physicist, you have to take science A group, that is a combination of physics, chemistry and mathematics in grade 11 and 12. Although through B group also you can get into BSc physics, but if you've taken mathematics, it will be of more support and help to you during your higher education. Which degree to needed for aerospace and which is better, aeronautical or astronomical? It is not astronautical, it is astronomical or aeronautical. What is the scope for it? See, scope is great. You have to take science A group if you want to get into aeronautics, astronomy, astrophysics, any of these areas. And if you want to, scope is there in every field. Try to figure out what is your hunger, what is something which tastes very good to you, what is something which you enjoy studying. Based on that, you should take a call. Sir, if I am not good academically, but I want to choose science A group, civil engineering, as I am having a great interest in it, then my child, you should sit down, work very strongly on your academics and bring up your academics. Let those academic comfort be reaching 90-95% level of absorption. Then and only then it is going to make sense that you go for civil engineering. And since this age, aptitude can be enhanced, I suggest you work very hard, bring your academic up, then go for science A group. Okay, last question is Sunita ma'am wanted Jenica to speak. Okay, Jenica, give me a moment. I think I've finished all the questions. As I said, once again, I will, if you have any more questions, you can put it in the link which I've already shared with you. Jenica, over to you.
Mohit Mangal for having graced us with his presence by giving us his valuable time and sharing with us his knowledge, which should be treasured by all. On behalf of the school management and students, I appreciate the guidance you have given us for planning our future goals. I'm sure all of us have gained a valuable insight from this seminar. We wish you the best for your future endeavors. May God bless you and keep you safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jenica. It was indeed lovely to hear your voice. Thanks a lot. And once again, I would like to thank Sunita ma'am. I would like to thank Maulik sir. I would like to thank the management, staff, parents, definitely all the children and their parents who have spent time with me in this session. Once again, I will share with you the details of where you can connect with me. I have already told you about all the things which are there in the links which I have given you. Download the free career guide. Go to YouTube, watch videos. I have put a lot of videos, small, related to different careers, which I am sure will be of a lot of help to you. And also, subscribe to the channel so that next time, if you have any question, put it in the link, that is Ask Me Anything question link. I'll be very happy to take up your question and answer. Thank you so much once again. Namaskar. Stay home, stay safe. God bless.
Thank you so
everyone.
much, Mohit sir. It was, I'm sure that it is going to help all my children, and they're very happy with their question bombarding. I can understand, yes, they understood the entire session very well. And thank you so much, sir. And I hope they will contact you for the personal guidance. Thank you so much, sir. Thank
Sure.
you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. In fact, I stopped the questions in between because I
I do
already had
understand, yeah.
100 plus questions. So I stopped the questions in between. Thank you so much, ma'am. Pleasure is mine.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay. Okay. Okay, students, you will be having class, the next class. I mean, your classes are going to begin. I'm just canceling this lecture so you can just freshen up. Period 5 as per the regular time. Okay, everyone? Period 5 on regular time. So take a break and then join period 5. Thank you. Now all of you can leave.